If we told you that you could have anything you've ever wanted, would you believe us? If you knew the real secret to success, would you have the courage to act upon it? Are you ready to become more powerful than you can imagine? Over the course of your life, you've probably heard many great pieces of advice from parents, friends, and those who are successful. You probably know that balance in life is important. You also may have heard that you should set goals, work hard, and never give up. Yet, having heard and understood all of this great advice, why do few people succeed while most fail? Are we missing something more fundamental that most of us have never been taught? Of course you should be balanced, but how? Yes, you should pick yourself up when you stumble, but how? How exactly do you keep going when you make mistakes? How do you continue when unforeseen things get in your way? How do you overcome the seemingly impossible? What are successful people doing? Or, more importantly, what do they know? There exists a fundamental truth about the nature of our universe. Though this simple and incredibly powerful truth is either unknown or ignored by a vast majority of people, those who understand it have the potential to become masters of their own destiny. This truth is known as the insight. Through the insight, you will see the world with new eyes and be able to set and achieve audacious goals. Understand and live the insight, and you will become happier, more confident, and more successful than you've ever dreamed possible. The insight will change your life, but it is not for everyone. The insight is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will not make checks magically appear in your mailbox. When understood, the insight is simply a truth that makes setting goals, persevering, and achieving success much, much easier. The insight is practical, provable, and really changes lives, but only if you are ready to work hard and commit to personal responsibility. For those who are ready to take control of their lives and achieve the success they've only dreamed of, an amazing new life awaits with your discovery of the insight. Only at EnglishAnyone.com.